Hello children, I am teacher Prerna Bhosle. Today we are going to start first lesson from your 4th standard mathematics books, that is geometrical figures. Today in this video you are going to learn only about an angle. So let's begin with our subtopic, an angle. An angle is one of the geometrical figure. Now let's see how it is formed. When two lines intersect or meet each other at a common point, an angle is formed. These two lines are called sides or an arms of an angle, and the common point where two lines intersect is called a vertex. Thus, two sides and a vertex are the parts of any angle. In our surrounding, we come across such type of angles, but they are of different shape. Now look at this picture. In this picture, we can see angle between the ground and the slide. But both angles are of different shape. Now let's see next picture. In this picture, the ladder and the ground makes an angle. Now let's move to another picture. In this picture, we see angles between the tree trunk and its branches. If you see this electric pole, you will also get an angle between the electric pole and the ground. But the shape of all these angles are different. Now let's see how these angles are classified into different types. The common type of angles are a right angle, an obtuse angle, and an acute angle. Now let's see what is a right angle. If you draw a vertical line and horizontal line meeting a common point, a right angle will form. Here are some examples showing right angles. In your house, if you see corner of door or corner of window, you will get a right angle. Similarly, corner of book, corner of frame are also example of right angles. Now let's see what is an obtuse angle. An angle which is greater than right angle is an obtuse angle. Here are two examples showing obtuse angle. Now let's move to third type of angle, that is acute angle. An angle which is smaller than right angle is an acute angle. Here are some examples of acute angles. Slice of cake, slice of pizza, scissor, laptop are some of the examples which we see in our daily life. Every one of you have clock in your house. But have you noticed minute hand and hour hand? Yes, they make angle between their two hands. It may be a right angle, obtuse angle, or an acute angle. Thus today, we have learned different types of angle, that is a right angle, an obtuse angle and an acute angle. Thank you.